G'day, Daniel Watson here from Vertech IT Services. Here's Cybersecurity Tip number 75. If you've got old kit in your organization and it's still doing the job, generally it's a good idea to chuck it out replace it with something suitable when it's starting to end its near its end of life. Definitely if it's not supported by the manufacturer, then you don't want to borrow it. Because when the shit hits the fan, you're going to find it very hard to get replacement parts or even people know anything about it, right? However, if your kit is covered by a good DR plan, like you can virtualize it in a cost-effective manner rather than replacing the whole system, then it's possible to get warranty extensions even outside of the manufacturers, because the manufacturers tend to, like HP and Lenovo, they pump up the pricing so that if you're trying to get a 5th year or 6th year, actually you can't get a 6th year, but if you're trying to get a 5th year warranty, you might find that you're getting charged about 30% the cost of the actual buy price of a replacement. So yeah. However, we've got a supplier called Warranty Master who's able to cover, using their global logistics networks and train professionals throughout the world, 24/7, 365-day support, warranties on aging hardware up to 12 years old. All right, and in certain situations for our clients, that's a really good option because it saves them that cash outlay for having to do a reinstallation project or what have you. Anyway, just leaving you with that thought. Warranty Master, getting extended warranties, it is possible even when your kit is getting old, but still fits the bill. Cheers.